Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO or BITTENSOR price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and of course starting on the daily chart. Everything was expected for TAO, everything looks fine, but we're gonna check this of course closer. However, we're gonna start from the beginning here. We have a kind of a WXY probably finishing a wave A here, where you have three ways down, three ways up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably finishing a wave A. And yeah, we have a 1, 2 here with an expanding flat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing your wave 3, and then 4, 5, probably finished as ending diagonal. So inside this ending diagonal, of course, we were expecting this because I did not change it since the last video. Um, yeah, so what we were looking at, oh, it looks like, yeah, those were our targets. They were perfectly reached, obviously, so it's time to remove them. We were looking here at, yeah, we also for an ending diagonal. I don't know why I said this at that time, but it might be was obviously that we got something here, maybe that I'm not sure how did I figure it out that it's gonna be an ending diagonal, but yeah, it looks like, and yeah, I mean this is my job, right? So it's an ending diagonal, and yeah, but basically it is a finished, right? It is finished impulse toward the upside, finished a wave one probably, and yeah, so probably we are looking towards the downside. Now, we would like to see, if we have finished a wave 1, we would like to see, of course, a wave 2. Now, why it might be a wave 1 or a wave A probably as well, it can be very low possibility that this is a bearish scenario for a wave B, because yeah, it's an impulse, right? So I think bearish has very low possibility here for a wave C, but it is a wave 2. So the targets might be, let's clean up a little bit. No need for all those. It looks like it has been a time I didn't do for TAO, but it was already predicted. However, in the wave 2, you would like to see these targets. Wave 2 impulse, you would like to see these targets, which are very close to a 0.38 already, which is the minimum requirement actually for your wave 2. And this is what I mentioned today in the morning while doing BTC analysis. And I said, of course, some altcoins have finished their bull run, and some of them still have maybe one wave towards the upside, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then looking for wave 5. But for example, TAO, it has obviously finished its bull run here, and we are looking, of course, after those 5 waves, we are looking for 3 waves towards the downside, and then looking towards the upside. So this is an impulse definitely towards the downside as a wave A B, and a C, and it's a zigzag. It should be a zigzag, hitting, of course, first the 0.38, 3 ways up, and then 5 ways down, probably getting into the 348 for the green zone of a wave 2. And in that case scenario, of course, you would like to see a wave 2 unfolding from these fib levels and moving towards the upside. So let's add some mark up here. So what we are expecting is kind of like a zigzag like that, right? And let it be in red for bearish. So we already probably finished a wave A here after this impulse, and looking for 3 waves towards the upside. And then, yeah, until that time, of course, I mean, yeah, it's probably still very bearish for TAO, of course. In case it is an A B, and a C, yeah, it's not so easy to get a wave B here, because this is your high, and your high is in 5 waves. And obviously, each wave, it is impulsive with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I cannot, yeah, give so much possibility for a wave B. But in case it is a W, probably W in zigzag, and then an X in a flat, and a zigzag in a Y, that could be, and giving you a wave B. and that means A, B, and a C. This is your bearish scenario. However, um, how to trade this, of course, I mean, in both case scenario right now, if you are bullish for a 1-2, you would like to see lower prices. If you are in ABC, you are looking for lower prices. So this wave 2 will give you the answer, are we in bullish or bearish still for a wave C. So if we pass this zone, and we don't see any signal of trends like 5 ways up, 3 down, and start to move up, therefore, of course, you are looking for bearish scenario, probably to take even the low. Yeah, so this is a TAO, very easy chart still because it's not so big. I mean, it's not so, the history is not so long. So yeah, it's easy to analyze and it's still a very easy wave um, to check, right? So yeah, that was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.